Oh, we are out of budget right now.
This is like boutique style. Wait, does it come out? Not in the budget.
Let's be real.
They didn't show out. That's on them.
Yeah.
They knew we were coming. Hey y'all, it's Danae. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be answering the question that's been on your mind. Which pharmacy has the best drip? I know. Everyone's been asking that question, but we're going to answer it today. And I've enlisted the help with my very professional friend, Ming. He's going to take... Yeah, very professional. He's going to take pictures today of the fits that we find, and we'll let you guys know, or I guess, comment down below which outfit you think is the best out of all the ones that we do today. So we made it to our very first location, CVS.
Pick something good. What's good? What's good in here, bro?
This looking.
That one.
That's I got an airport. This is like an airport jacket.
Oh, this one is everywhere.
This is an airport.
This is Danae's vibe right here. We'll do a transition.
And then just photos of you wearing.
This is rough. I feel like this is what my Nana would wear to bed.
This is the collection.
Grandma.
CVS 2023 summer.
Summer collection.
Like this whole section right here is giving grandma core.
Doing
Good. I think this is what I'm working with here. I think I might add one more thing,
Okay.
but we'll save that to the end. You'll see.
Okay.
Okay. I
We're
think
going for a monochrome
I think
look.
this
going for monocle fit.
Alright, cool.
Time to check out.
Today's actually a sugar mama.
If you are finished scanning, please touch
you-
finish.
It's
on
my
the
side job. That's what I do in my side.
Are you the sugar baby?
Do I look like it? Yeah, sure. Yeah, I take it.
Please remember to take your receipt. Thank you for shopping at CVS.
A plastic bag.
If you
Obviously,
have
she's not
your
environmentally friendly.
Please
Cancelled.
Exposed. We made it to location number 2. Shut up.
Number 2, yo.
We're at location number 2 finally, and we're gonna see if they have any drip. You think they got drip?
No.
Where are we at? You guys didn't even say the name of the place we're at. Goddamn.
We're at Walgreens.
Oh, it matches your outfit. Wait, why are you guys twinning? Dead ass.
Wait, does it come out?
Yo, stop, bro.
Oh my god.
This is not sponsored.
Yeah, we know.
You can tell by the 3 people who watch my videos. This is not sponsored. I don't know, it's kind of a slay.
Yeah.
We're back. Can't afford that right now.
Not in the
Let's
budget.
be real.
We have a smaller selection here.
No, wait.
You could probably.
Oh, this is kind of cute though. This is kind of cute. Little sundress moment. If I can get it out. No, it's stuck. Get one more item because I feel like that's to be a fit.
Yes.
See?
Are we getting sandals or a hat?
Ooh, I'm thinking maybe this one.
Ooh. Oh.
Let's go check out.
Okay.
Secure the bag.
So we're at the 3rd location. We have no idea what it is. It's like a local place, apparently.
Yeah, I don't think there's too many Terry Towns running around here, but we're gonna see what drip they have.
Yeah, I don't even know if they actually have drip, so
We're gonna find out together. Yeah.
This is way better than I expected. I think this place will win.
It's drip so far.
Yeah.
In my opinion.
But
It's a little expensive. But at least like this is like boutique style.
what's going
Drip.
on? What's going on here?
It's a real drip. Yeah, this is actually really cute.
Yeah.
No, I would actually wear this though.
Me too. Wait, this is actually great.
Right?
Why did we find a hidden gem today? Good job, Ming.
Thank you.
He did his research.
You did good. Yeah.
This is not like a CVS or.
No, it's definitely not CVS.
I mean, we can put this in honorable mentions.
Maybe.
Yeah.
I don't know, I'm kind of vibing with this one.
I'm down for this one.
Let's get physical. Physical.
Or maybe this one.
Yeah, I like that one.
I like this one.
I mean, you should get that for yourself. I feel like you look good.
Yeah, I think.
Wait, actually, honestly, I feel like you look so cute in that.
Thanks.
What size you wear?
Large. Wait, just matching you.
What do you think? I don't work out or something?
Immediately large. Give him the largest size. Something like this.
It's the game, right?
No, I mean, true.
Yeah, they have
True.
it, so.
They didn't show out.
True.
That's on them.
Yeah.
They knew we were coming.
It's just unfair how cute the clothes are, actually.
No, right?
And then all the home decor. Wait. Who's bought a house? This is like. Look at this vase.
Look at this candle.
Yeah, it's so dope, bro.
Looks like pepperoni. Pepperoni cat.
Yeah, if you guys just wanted to know what's behind the camera.
We are out of the budget right now.
Very much out of budget.
The problem is that it's actually too cute.
Too cute.
We don't know which one to
That's
choose.
just what I got so far. No, I'm looking for something else to go with the top.
Can you wear whatever you have inside already? Just put that on.
What do you mean, like
Like what they
this
have to
stuff?
check out.
No, I think that goes against the rules. It has to be,
Yeah.
it has to be Terrytown drip.
Oops.
Yes.
We'll see how this looks all together.
Woo.
Yeah, we went to a couple of pharmacies before this, and they did not have this.
They did not have dresses?
Not the same. They did not have
Cute.
Nice secured. Terrytown.
Show us into the.
Now it's time to do the photo shoot. We have all of our outfits ready to go. As you can see, this is outfit number 1, coming from CVS. Kind of went for a monochrome fit. Like today, I was lucky enough I wore my pink socks, so it kind of matches. But yeah, our professional photographer Ming is gonna take the pics now, and we'll see in the comments what you guys think.
Awesome.
Trying to find a spot that the lighting is more consistent.
Yeah, right now it's a little bit harsh because it's like middle of the day.
Yeah, so that's a problem we're facing.
But you're gonna make it work.
Yeah.
Outfit number 2. This one is from Walgreens. I mean, it's a little bit better than I thought it was gonna be. I didn't have high hopes for this one, but she's slaying.
Hey, shots.
Whatever I was planning that day. Back into outfit number 1 because our photographer decided he liked this location better.
Don't let them know that we're living in a life of poverty. Slay. Slay. See what now?
Now it's time for Terrytown to show out. We have high hopes for this brand. And before y'all come for me in the comments, I want to say I picked a harder piece to style to level out the playing fields
Yes.
between the other outfits. So if it doesn't look great, don't come for me.
You offended me. I got nothing to say.
Trust the process
So that's one skill girls know how to do is change.
without being seen.
Yes.
Literally, you're like asking to be seen right now.
It's
But
just,
I mean, like, without showing my undergarments,
We
okay?
can go into the car, close the door, and do whatever
It's
you
even
want.
harder in there.
yeah.
Really?
She's a tall girl too. Look
I
at this
got long
Hyundai.
legs.
Look at this Hyundai Ascent. You think all that can fit in there?
Fit.
7 feet tall.
Yes, I am 7 feet tall. For legal reasons, everything he says in this video is a lie.
This actually is an SUV.
Looking cute. Now for the piece. They were all
Worried about.
excited. We're very worried about.
Nervous and excitement are the same feeling, you know.
How are we looking?
Hmm.
What if I turned it around? And you could see the tag.
Nice.
Look better. Like maybe
Tuck the tag into the black shirt, maybe.
Yeah, dude, you pulled a hot one.
I need a mirror. No idea what this is.
Yeah, that's the thing. She's styling this without seeing herself at all.
This is all guesswork.
Okay.
Hold on, let me see. I'm gonna come investigate this.
I think yeah.
I think this is
That's
Yeah.
just a no.
yeah.
Without it, I
I
mean,
tried, guys.
Or maybe you can put it somewhere more interesting.
you put it over your shoulders, or I don't know. It just is giving a different vibe than.
Like I don't think you're supposed to wear that much inside of it, you know. Oh, that's nice.
Yeah, if you play, yeah, maybe. I feel like that's all right, actually. It's a creative way to wear it. Sometimes you gotta make do.
Exactly. Well,
I feel like, I mean, if you tuck like some of the front parts in to make it look a little bit less like you're wearing a shirt. Yeah.
I should just like, I don't know.
Can you turn it around?
Yeah.
All right.
Gotta hide the tag.
Yeah.
How do we feel about
We
it?
just don't look at the back.
Yeah. No one look at the back. Okay. Oh wait, did we introduce it?
Oh yeah, you didn't.
Oh well, this is outfit number 3 coming from Terrytown.
Mm-hmm.
I already gave my disclaimer on this piece right here, but I think we made it work. I think it's
did.
kind of cute. That is all for the outfit. Vote in the comments on which one you think was the best.